Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a company called KPIT Technologies. This is an IT company and this company is earning 41% of its revenue from USA, followed by Europe 39% and rest of the world 20%. So this company is having a market capitalization of around 9,113 crore. Current price is around 332 and yearly high is 336 and yearly low is 67.5. ROC value is 14%, ROE value is 12.6%. That is looking good. Last 1 year, this particular company has given a very good return, that is 333%. And debt to equity is very less, 0.19. Promoter holding is 40.2. So now we will look into its last 1 year chart. You can see there is a keep on, the stock prices keep on increasing, and also it is trading above its 50-day as well as 200-day moving averages. So that is looking good, and the price of the stock is keep on increasing. It never came and touched this 50-day moving average also. So it is always that is from, you can say, from this month, that is February 2021, from here onwards it is keep on going up. So that is a good sign, and also that time you can see there is a very good investment came into this particular company. So this huge volume shows that particular investment in this company. Okay, so this company, the advantage of this company is that this company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 27.66%. Debtor days have been improved from 156.07 to 55.29 days. One of the disadvantages, stock is trading at 7.55 times its book value. Okay, so now we will look at the quarterly results. So that is from June 2018, it is zero profit. But from the December 2018 onwards, the profit has been started increasing. So that is on 24, 30, 31, 36, 43, 37, 28. So recently you can see 42, 52 and 60 crore. So that shows the company is progressing well and earning well also. So now we will look into the consolidated profit. You can see the net profit from March 2018, it was zero, but March 2019 it was 54, then it become 148, then it become 146 in March 2021. There is a corresponding increase in its net profit, you can see, and also there is a corresponding increase in it EPS ratio. So initially in March 2018 it was minus 27%, but now it is 5.33. Okay, so that is also a good sign. And company is also paying some very good dividend for the last 3 years. From March 2018 it is 37%, March 2020 18%. Recently March 2021 it has given a that is dividend of 28%. And if you look at compounded sales growth, it is little negative, that is minus 2%. Compounded profit growth is positive, that is 30%. Stock price CAGR is 333%, that is also very good. And the return on equity is also positive, that is 13%. So now we will go to the technical chart of this particular company, KPIT Technologies. So in the technical chart you can see so this is the monthly chart of this particular company. You can see there is a huge volume of investment came to this particular company, and look at the rise of this relative, that is RSI value, that is it is trading at 83. That is RSI is 83, that means stock is in a very bullish mode. And also you can see, so once this crosses this trend line, that is 117, after that it is keep on increasing. Every month it is making a new higher values, that is higher values of the stock. So that shows the progress of this particular company. RSI is in a very bullish mode, so that is also very good. And weekly chart also, if you see, you can see the RSI is in, that is stock is going at very fast speed, you can say. So weekly RSI is also 86, so that shows the stock is in a very bullish mode. So now if you check at the daily RSI, so daily RSI is also good, it is also rising, so it is not going down, it is going up. So that is also a very good sign, that is 79, around 80, 79.46. So it has once it is currently trading at 332 level. So if you look at the stop loss, we can keep a stop loss below this candle. So this big green candle, you can say. So that is below this 314 level, you can keep a stop loss. Okay, and the target is, I think we can keep a target price of around 385. So hopefully it will go to 385. I think if it is going like this, definitely it can touch this particular target of 385. Not only 385, it can go up also. So those who want some immediate profit, then you can book a profit around 385 level. So otherwise, you can keep on just start investing and keep on. That is, you can wait for a very good return from this particular company. So that shows actually this company is in a very bullish mode, you can see. So weekly chart clearly shows it is going at very good speed, you can say. It is keep on making higher highs. So it is in a very bullish mode. So those who are really interested in this particular company, you can start buying some shares of this and put a stop loss below 314. Those who doesn't want to lose any money, but and you can immediate target of this particular company will be like this, that is around 385. So definitely it can go above this 385 also. So it is in a very bullish mode, you can see RSI is rising daily, weekly and monthly also. So uh, so definitely it can go to a target of around 385 in the near few months or few weeks it can take, because it is in a very bullish mode. So those who are interested, definitely you can buy this stock and keep it in your portfolio. So it will be a very good asset for you people. Okay. So those who are interested, please share this. You buy this. Also share this information to as many people as possible. And this is a very good, wonderful opportunity. You can see there is a very big bullish green candle is seen here. So that shows this particular company's stock prices keep on rising. So immediate target is 385, and further also it can go to 500, 700. So those who are patient, they can wait and make profit from this very good. So due to this corona, you can say the all the IT companies are doing good, especially this particular company. So they have very good earnings they are getting from USA, Germany, and from the rest of the world. So this is a wonderful opportunity. So try to make use of this opportunity and also share this information to as many people as possible. And also share this information to friends and relative, and also like and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thank you for listening to the video. Thanks a lot.